Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Latkio and today I'm gonna do a review of the case that I just got for my Pixel 4. I had this case for about like a 3 months since I got Google Pixel 4, and all I can say, this case is like a dog shit, right? I guess maybe if there was other material on the back, but it kind of feels like there was like a sticker on this case and someone pulled it off. So you kind of have that like a weird leather, like a fake plastic feeling, and I don't like it. So basically I went on YouTube to find like what I can put on my Google Pixel 4 because I enjoy this phone and I want to keep it for like a long time because it's like a very good phone. It's like a very small, compact, and you can carry it anywhere, so I kind of want to protect it for as long as I can. Usually what I put on my phone is something from like a Spigen or UHG. I was using this thing on my S23 Ultra, but I had to sell my phone to like do some other things with the money. So yeah, this is what I was using for my S23 Ultra. It was probably one of the best cases that I ever owned. Also, I had this case for S23 and for like an iPhone 14, right? So basically for like the past 2 years I was only using this case, and it's like a really good case, but I can't find it for Google Pixel 4 because this thing is older than a Jesus. I went on YouTube, I tried to find what I can put on it, and this is the first thing that came out. Usually I'm not like a big fan of like a spec cases because this is also what I had on S23 Ultra, and this case is like a very different than this case. So they changed like entire production, and I don't like it because this doesn't feel good. If it's like a summer outside and your hands are like normal, like a temperature, after 2 minutes like you're going to have like a sweaty hands because material is like very bad. And also trying to get this thing off your phone is like pain in the ass. Let's see what I have on like a box, right? It says like a design for impact, Speck Presidio grip. I think this is like a first generation. This is like a second generation. It says like a microban. Basically this case kind of protects you from all bacteria, but I don't think it actually works. 2 layers of impact protection, that's kind of good. 3 meters of like a height protection, right? Basically if you drop it from like a below 3 meters, your phone is safe. On the back you have the same thing designed for impact. It kind of says that you have like a rubberized edges, microban protection, and you have like a grip on the side. So basically it's good for gaming and selfies. I don't know who actually games on this phone because the batteries are horrible, but selfies I think they are good on this phone. So we open the box. It's like it's very easy. You just slide it out, boom, like that. We put the box on the side because we don't need it, and as I can see, this thing here is like a hard plastic. This thing is like a rubber. It kind of feels good, and yeah, like this is how it looks like. Inside of it, it's kind of okay, I guess. Nothing special. This is like a plastic with rubber on it. You have the camera thing up there. I mean, nothing special. Down there you have like a cuts for the microphone and like speaker and what's the name, like a charger. On the side you have like buttons. On top of it I think it's either like antenna. So yeah, let's try to put my phone into this case and see how it looks like. Okay. Oh, that was easy. Like putting Pixel 4 in this case is like so much easier than putting Ultra in this case, because for Ultra you kind of have to stomp on it for the phone to get in a case, and also taking out Ultra from this case is like a horrible. Like I had a feeling that I was gonna break my phone a couple of times. I kind of wish the logo and like a camera thing here were kind of white, so everything kind of pops out. You have like a rubber on the edges. Cutout is like a perfect, and then you also have like 3 buttons. Let me see, like the click is perfect. You can hear it, and also like the click actually works. So yeah, I don't know what else to say about the case. The buttons are great. The phone fits in perfectly fine. Getting your phone out of case is like very easy. I will show it to you. Let me just lock my phone. Yeah, it's very easy to take out your phone from the case. So I don't know, dude, if you have like a Pixel 4 and you want to get like a brand new case for your phone to make it look like as like a new phone or something like that, try to get this one because it's like a really good case for like a 10 euros. And yeah, if you enjoyed this unboxing, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching and peace out.